Keep your fruits and vegetables lasting longer and organized with these airtight food storage containers. Utilize unused space and attach these yogurt organizers, which install within seconds. Last, place this rechargeable deodorizer in your fridge to eliminate odors.
The perfect way to store toys, this is it. This multi-tiered cart comes in 2 sizes. This is the smaller one, and it's literally as easy to put together as you see here in the video. Each of the acrylic drawers fully removes, and both this one and the wider one have 2 deep drawers on the bottom. This is perfect for those larger items like Barbies, Barbie furniture, or those larger American Girl doll accessories. Both sizes then have 3 tiers of shallow drawers above that. This is great for those smaller accessories and Barbie clothes. I love that the cart rolls but has easily locked casters that even my kids can manage. This has been a great solution for storing my daughter's Barbie items in her closet, and she can roll it out when she's ready to play. We also grabbed one for all of my older daughter's hair and makeup accessories. I hope you enjoy.
This is a soap dispensing handle for your Scrub Daddy. Just fill the handle with soap and add your favorite Scrub Daddy. Then press the button to release however much soap you need. This makes washing my dishes so much easier.
Cleaning hacks. Is your vacuum electric, so why isn't your mop? This gadget will give you the professional scrubbing boost that an hour available grease can't. This one is rechargeable, so no cord dragging. It has a built-in water tank so you can spray as you go and properly mop with minimal effort. It's height adjustable, has a built-in light to help you see what you're cleaning, and a smart mop bucket that electrically spins the mop head squeaky clean and drains water into the bottom for easy disposal.
This roll-up over the sink dish drying rack is perfect for everyday use. It's stainless steel and silicone, so it grips your sink and stays there. It also has a built-in utensil holder and a spot for your lids too. I love using it for when I'm washing my fruits and veggies as well. You can also use it for a cooling rack. Be sure to measure your sink before you purchase, as there are a few different sizes available.
Suitcase that we're absolutely loving. We upgraded from our previous scooter suitcases, and the storage space inside these are so much better. The bar of the scooter does not impact the space inside the hardback suitcase at all, and it can easily be used as a normal rolling suitcase as well. For me, the winning feature about this scooter suitcase is you can remove the suitcase portion and your kids have a scooter when you get to your destination. All 4 of my kids, ages 3 to 10, are absolutely loving these, and honestly, my husband wants one too. Next up are these connecting suitcases for your toddler to ride on. It comes as a pair of 2 hard-sided suitcases with great storage inside. The suitcases slide together, giving your toddler an easy place to ride through the airport. It even has fold-out spots to hold on or put your feet. We're absolutely loving both Amazon finds, so now to book a flight for spring break. Enjoy!
This is a mini portable washer, and it washes delicates, shirts, and shorts in 5, 8, or 10-minute cleaning cycles. It's really easy to use. Simply add water and detergent to clean and pick your cleaning cycle.
Grab these adhesive straps. They're the perfect way to store your baby's bibs inside a cabinet door or on the back of their high chair. Next, as a mom of 4, I worry a lot about pinched fingers and doors. This small bumper goes over the edge of the door and totally solves that problem. This $5 sliding door lock has saved me so much sanity with my daughter in her closet. And this bath toy organizer is hands down my favorite. It's universal, so fits over any tub, including this freestanding one, and toddlers and babies can easily reach in to grab what they want. Swap out your typical outlet protectors for this beautiful version, and when it comes to baby-proofing cabinets, I always go with these invisible magnetic cabinet locks. The best part is they're completely adhesive, so there's no drilling into your cabinets. Swap out your typical toilet seat with this one that has a built-in potty seat, so you don't have to store that toddler potty seat anymore. And last, I love these inexpensive plug-in cameras as baby monitors. Enjoy! Pancake batter dispenser is going to fully change your mornings. Add all the ingredients you need to make your pancakes right into this dispenser. It even has measurements right on the side, so you don't have to dirty up extra dishes. Once everything's in, put the lid on top, push the button, and it mixes the pancake batter for you. Here's a closer look at how it works. Once your batter's fully mixed, press the handle of the dispenser and you have perfectly round pancakes every time. No longer will you have a pile of dishes every time you make pancakes for your kids, so you can say yes more often. Once it's done, it's super easy to clean the 2 pieces and you're ready to go. Enjoy! Juicer is absolutely amazing. I am not exaggerating. It's rechargeable, so it doesn't have to be plugged into an outlet while you're using it. Put in your piece of citrus. I tried this with lemons, limes, and oranges, and it worked awesome. And watch it do its magic. This is seriously so satisfying to watch, and it gets every bit of juice out of the piece of citrus. We easily filled an entire glass of juice using 2 oranges, and you can see here just how clean it got it. I can't wait to use this summer poolside for cocktails. Happy juicing, and I hope you enjoy. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to keep kids' plates and bowls stacked in a drawer, grab these inexpensive organizers. This super compact step stool is the perfect option in a skinny cabinet and allows me to reach all of the things on my top shelves. I love these adhesive lid holders and these adhesive coffee pod holders. Store them with your mugs and you can adjust them to whatever width you need. Add extra space in your cabinets by grabbing these small cabinet shelves. And I store my measuring spoons and measuring cups using these adhesive magnets. It looks great and it's super functional. I absolutely love these beautiful spice jars. And don't forget the bamboo tiered organizers for in your drawer. These clear acrylic drawers under my sink are one of my absolute favorite items. And this adjustable organizer is perfect for cutting boards and trays. You know I had to mention my favorite adhesive hooks for bottles under the sink, as well as my adhesive paper towel holder. They keep everything hidden and out of the way. And last, this adjustable bamboo organizer. Enjoy! Adhesive bins can be used in nearly every room of your house. It's an affordable way to organize your makeup brushes and hairbrushes, daily mail, pens and pencils, and so many items around your kitchen. Utilizing the inside of your cabinet doors is a great way to add storage space, and it keeps things handy exactly where you need them. Grab a few of these on Amazon this month while you're organizing and you won't be sorry. Enjoy gift grabbers that I use for my kids' toothbrushes. You can put them on a wall or in the cabinet and they're the perfect way to store them. If your family likes wee yogurt, save the jars and grab these bamboo lids from Amazon for the perfect organization jars. If you've never tried museum gel, it's the perfect way to keep bins and containers in place inside your drawers. It comes off seamlessly and doesn't leave a sticky residue. It's honestly like magic. You can also use this for items on your shelving units. Over-the-shelf drawers for in your fridge that adds so much storage. And these small adhesive slides work perfect on the bottom of your appliances to slide them in and out. No need for a bulky mat that you can see. These are super inexpensive and they work great. This over-the-door laundry basket's the perfect way to store kids' stuffed animals and blankets, and it's super inexpensive. Next is this sleek extension cord for plugging in small appliances so you don't see that normal cord. Hopefully you found something that you enjoy. It has been absolutely awesome. You can do countertop or mount it underneath your cabinets, and loading it is literally as simple as you see here. Once it's loaded, it's motion activated, and whatever paper towels or dispense that you don't need will instantly be pulled back inside. Each time you load it, it learns how much to dispense with one motion, so it can easily accommodate full sheets or the half sheet rolls. It comes in several colors and looks great sitting on your counter, and it's honestly been a huge win in our house. I hope you enjoy. Bottle holders. These are perfect if you don't want to drill into tile, and I paired them with decorative bottles for in my shower and my hand soap. These suction cup hooks for tile or glass are absolutely amazing and work so well. You'd be shocked how well they stay in place. An adhesive storage toilet paper holder. It comes with this adhesive mount and you can even put the toilet paper portion facing whichever direction you need. My absolute favorite over the glass hooks. And this fluted trash can with a sensor for an automatic opening lid. We have this in all of our bathrooms now and absolutely love it. These adhesive bins that I use for hairbrushes and makeup brushes, and magnetic canisters. The lid is adhesive to the cabinet and the canister stays in place via magnets. This beautiful acrylic two-tiered countertop organizer, and these pull-out two-tier organizers for in your cabinet. They're fully removable as well if you want to store things like makeup in them. These silicone sleeves that suction in place, these have been perfect for my kids. And last is my absolute favorite stone bath mat. Enjoy! Peeler that's perfect for all the eggs you dye this weekend. Put it in a container with a small amount of water and you have a perfectly peeled egg every time. I absolutely love these silicone crockpot liners. You can get them in one large one or two small ones to cook two things at once. This multi-purpose magnetic microwave cover is absolutely perfect. Store it on the top of your microwave and pull it down when you need it. It extends to whatever height you'd like. You can easily use it to grab any hot dishes. As an added bonus, you can add water to the lid and use it as a steamer. You'll honestly be using this constantly. If you have toddlers that like rice, grab this rice baller, put a small amount of rice in each little container, shake it up, and you have these perfect rice balls. If you're low on space, grab this adjustable measuring cup, simply adjust it to the size you need, and you're ready to go. And last up is my absolute favorite fruit and veggie cutter. This is under $10 and I use it literally every day. It comes apart easily to be cleaned, fits in the top of a mason jar to cut right into the jar, is a total parent must-have. Enjoy! It's organized outside with no garage. Starting with this small outdoor shed that closes tightly, but is easy enough for my kids to all open on their own. There's even a spot to lock it if you'd like to. We added the optional extra shelf for added storage, and the floor of the shed is mostly used for scooters, so I grabbed these scooter parking spots. These help keep 2- or 3-wheel scooters in place without rolling all over. These extra large command hooks are perfect for kids' helmets, and on the shelf we added these adhesive clear guards so that we could put things that roll like basketballs and footballs on top. This has been a great solution that was really inexpensive. There's plenty of room in front or behind the shelves for taller scooter handles, so that's been great as well. Here's how it looks fully loaded, and we have absolutely been loving this. So if you're like me and looking for a great way to keep your kids' outdoor toys organized, I hope you found this helpful. Enjoy! iPad laptop stand that we are absolutely obsessed with. It's absolutely beautiful and holds 2 devices, and you can even charge them while they're there. I store tons of craft items in my office, and I love these sliding spice organizers for all of my craft paint. They slide out and swivel so you can see exactly what you have. This desk calendar is a new favorite. I added command strips to the back to keep mine in place. I'm also loving these small transparent sticky notes. Perfect for moving items around on a calendar or planner. While we're at it, let's talk about these gorgeous highlighters. It's a well-known fact that pretty things make work more fun. This acrylic file box and this iPad keyboard case. Just like the Apple one and so cute. These paper file organizers, we are absolutely in love with these. Stacking storage boxes. I use these for all my craft supplies, markers, and other items. The last up is this adorable cord organizing bin. Hopefully you found something you love. Enjoy! Instead of wrestling your typical car sunshade, this one opens and closes like an umbrella. It literally takes seconds to open and close, and stores tiny just like a pocket umbrella. Wrap it up, put it in your glove box, and you're ready to go. Enjoy! It's crafts, so here's how I store ours. I freed up a kitchen cabinet and added these bamboo pull-out shelves. These allow us to reach everything on either the top or bottom tier. These easy open lidded bins are great for those smaller items. And I use larger bins with snap closure lids, those bigger items and items I don't want the kids getting into on their own. Small paint sets and paint brushes go great in these small zipper bags. And there's plenty of room for some extras on the shelves. If you've got a spot for a tabletop caddy, this one's perfect with plenty of slots. And for a day-to-day art caddy for kids, this small soft-sided bag is perfect. They can easily take it from room to room and store everything they need. Enjoy! I absolutely love my 40-ounce Stanley tumblers, but when I saw my girlfriend's version from Amazon, I was totally sold. I'm not gonna lie, I still use both, but I wanted to give you a comparison. The Stanley does give you two options for drinking from the lid, but the Simple Modern weighs just a little bit less, and honestly, you can feel the difference. I filled both cups up with the exact same amount of ice, then filled them to the top with water, and I let them sit overnight to see which one kept the water colder. Let's be honest, the outcome was pretty comparable, but the Simple Modern had things just a little bit colder. My one complaint would be the location of the screw on the Simple Modern I can sometimes feel on my hand. All in all, these are both awesome. They fit in the cup holders of your car, and they will definitely help you drink more water this year. Enjoy!